Hello guys, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and today we have Bhavya Goel with us, and she will be sharing her experience for TCS Digital. So first of all, I would like to welcome Bhavya. Welcome Bhavya, and how are you?
I'm, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So recently you had given TCS Digital interview. So before
Yes.
that, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hello, everyone. I'm Bhavya Goel. I'm a final year student in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, specializing in information technology branch. So I'm basically from Delhi and I've done my schooling in Delhi. After my schooling, I moved to Pune to continue my engineering. And Pulkit Bhaiya just said I have given my TCS digital interview a few days back.
Okay. So please tell our viewers how was the selection procedure, the test and all, starting with the test.
There are two steps to TCS digital process. First, we have a written test, which is MCQ based. So there are three rounds in that. The first one is verbal ability or the English round, in which we have 10 to 15 MCQs for 10 minutes. After which we have a aptitude round, which basically consists of maths question. There are around 20 to 30 questions, and we have 40 minutes for that round. After which is the coding round, that is for 1 hour, and the round consists of two questions. The questions are mainly based on not based on DSA or anything specific, just logical questions, and you can solve them in any language that you want. And for each question, for both the questions, you get 1 hour. Yeah. And
O-
the overall difficulty of the test was, I think, mediocre. It was not very difficult, but it was even not very easy.
Okay. What was the time duration for each section?
So the English part was for 10 minutes, the aptitude part was for 40 minutes, and the coding round was for 1 hour.
Okay, so talking about the coding round, the questions were based on logic or they were any algorithm specific or something like that?
The questions for my set, it was entirely based on logic. There were no specific algorithms or data structure that was asked.
Okay, so post clearing the test, when did you get the interview call?
So it was around 10 to 12 days after I cleared my round, and I got it on 18th of August, and my interview was scheduled for 22nd of August.
So please tell our viewers about the interview process, what all questions were asked.
So first of all, when I entered the room, there were three panelists. One was HR, one was based on the coding and everything, and one was the management person. So first of all, I was asked to introduce myself, and tell the question was tell me about yourself. After which they asked me a lot of questions about my project. Which different functions could I've used in my project. So my project was based on file management. So they asked why did I not use database, and if I would have used database, what would I have done in that, and different questions on that part. Then moving on, my call was transferred. Then after these questions, they asked me questions on cloud computing, like what is cloud computing, and why do we use cloud computing, who takes care of the system and hardware of cloud computing, and everything else. Then after all these questions, I was moved on to the managemental round, wherein the person asked me about my 5 year goals. And there were a lot of questions related to my NGO. So I was working in an NGO called Make a Difference. So they wanted to know what all work did I do there, and what was campaigns and different questions on that. After which was my HR round, and in my HR round they basically asked the basic questions like whether I was ready for reallocation, whether I was okay with night shifts, and whether I was okay with shifting cities and everything.
Okay, so this HR and technical round was a single interview.
Yeah, single interview. Everyone was in the same room and asking different questions at different times.
Okay, Bhavya. So you were talking about the projects. So any specific questions which were asked on the project you would like to tell our viewers?
Yeah, so first of all, they asked me what all functions did I do in the project. So my project was on banking file management system. So they asked me what all functions did the project have. Then they said that you could have used instead of file management, you could have gone to use database management. So then they asked that, okay, now if you consider that in real life scenario, you are using database management system. Then how would you create the database for the same? And then they asked me that will this project be a real time project, or will the data already be fed? So I said that it would be a real time project. So then they asked me that when I have to authenticate the data. So in a database, you cannot enter any data. So how will I do that? So then I answered that I can do that using triggers, and explain them the whole process. So these were the questions that were based on my project.
Okay, so where you were also asked questions on cloud computing. So everyone
Yeah.
was asked on cloud computing, or any other technologies were also used or asked in the
Yeah,
interview?
so they wanted a bit of information about your basics on the advanced technologies like cloud computing, AI, ML, and all the other technologies which are trending right now.
Okay. So in general, we can say that if you are preparing well for your projects and working on a single technology, you have a good knowledge in that technology. So the interview would go well and you will definitely ace the interview.
Also, the resume was really important because they were really giving a lot of emphasis on what you have written in your resume and making it a point to check each and everything that you wrote there. So they were like, why did you do this? And, tell us about this and that. So make sure that your resume is good.
Okay, so cross check your resume as well so that you do not make any mistakes or blunder there. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
So how would you rate the difficulty level of the interview, the technical interview?
I would say because there was not really a lot of technical knowledge that was tested, so I can say that it was 5 or 6 maybe.
Okay. And what do you say that what all topics should one cover before giving the TCS digital interview?
So basically, topics that you should cover for your TCS Digital is first you should be thorough with all the technologies that you have used in your project. So they can ask you any question related to that. Apart from that, please do cover the subject that you find interesting. For example, I mentioned C++. So do study everything related to your favorite subject and basic of SQL and data structures,
Okay.
technologies. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That would be enough for your TCS digital interview. And
Yes.
anything else you would like to add to our viewers? Something specific about the interview?
Yeah, I think the key is to be confident. So, when they ask you cross questions, don't worry because just be confident because you have done it. So don't get nervous at that point.
Okay, great advice, Bhavya. And this is it from my side. Also, I would like to request our viewers, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for such interview experiences and for interview preparation strategies. Thank you so much, Bhavya, for joining. And if you have any other queries, you can write it down in the comment section. We'll answer it. And thank you so much for joining. This is it for today. Thank you, Bhavya.